rep the gang, 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 gang. Always rep the gang.
What's good, my pawns? It's your boy King CeeLo. If you're new, you know what to do. Smack that subscribe button for our brother. Now, today, I'm coming to you guys with another tutorial video. Keyword there, tutorial, because I usually don't make tutorial videos on my channel. I usually just vlog or do shoe videos. You know, my subscribers know what I do on my channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the perfect settings for your TV. I recently had a monitor. My monitor broke, so I had to switch over to a TV. You know, if you switch it from a monitor and a TV, it's two different things. You guys probably know this. Basically, I'm trying to help you guys out with a TV and trying to help you guys get the perfect graphics for your games or whatever. In this case, it'll be the PlayStation 4 because I have a PlayStation 4. I don't play Xbox or none of that. It might work for Xbox, but this video doesn't have too much to relate to a Xbox because I'm going to be using a PlayStation in this video. And I'm also going to be using a JVC TV. What I mean by graphics is realism, like realistic graphics. I'm not too much into the color or whatever, but I'm just going to show you guys the perfect graphics for like realistic games, like such as like Rainbow Six, Battlefield, I guess you can say Call of Duty. This realistic games actually looks pretty nice on Fortnite as well, so you guys can actually implement these settings into your Fortnite games. I'm going to show you in a few seconds. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys my TV settings first, and then I'll move on over into the PlayStation settings on what you guys need for the perfect graphics or whatever. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get it. Alright, y'all, like I said, I'm going to start out with the TV. As you guys can see, it's just a regular JVC TV. I'm not sure if the settings will apply to any TV, but if you guys have a JVC TV, I'm pretty sure the graphics settings I'm going to show you guys will work. If you guys do have a different TV, you can try these settings. I'm not sure if it's going to work 100%, but yeah, it's better to just try it than to just look at the video and just waste your time. So this is probably what you guys play on is standard. This is not what you want to play on. What you guys want to play on is, no, let me check. I'll take that back. Most of you guys play on either standard or game. And this is what game looks like. Let me back out real quick. This is what game looks like. And then this is what standard looks like. Like I said, you guys play on either one of those, but you guys do not want to play on standard or game. What you guys want to play on is vivid. Just look at how much better, I know it's a camera, but just look at how much better the game looks. Let me move around a little bit. Like, look at how good. You guys gotta try it for yourself. I don't know, I'm gonna show you guys. This is. But yeah, like I said, you guys want to put your settings on vivid. When you first select vivid, it's not going to be on these exact settings. So what you guys want to do is copy all these settings right here. I'm not trying to make this video too long, just trying to get this out the way because I know you guys don't want to look at a 20-minute video on how to make your settings look nice on the game, because yeah, nobody got time for that. This is what you guys want to do. You just want to copy all these settings right here. I'm just gonna go through every single last one of them. That on natural. Make sure all this is the same, whatever. Download H1Z1. So many messages me. But just make sure everything is the same. Make sure it's on high. Should have appeared offline, but it's whatever. Advanced picture mode. This is important as well. You guys want to make sure the crystal color is on rich. A lot of people sleep on this. If you got it on normal, it will change like the color of the game. Whatever you have it off, it's just gonna look, just look at that. It's a camera, you guys can tell. But just keep that on rich, because look at the wall. If you guys looked at like a fence or whatever in real life, you guys would see that's what the color of it will look like, even though this is on the camera, like I said. And that's pretty much it for the TV settings. It's not too much you can go into for TV settings. This is not a monitor, so it's not a lot of stuff you can do, like I said. But now moving on into the actual game settings. Alright, I'm gonna make the whole video just with a camera because I don't feel like recording from my PlayStation right now. So basically, what you guys want to do for your like actual in-game settings, like for the PlayStation, as far as that goes, because that's the most important part of the video. You guys want to go to sound and screen. And what you guys want to do is go to your video output settings and put your video resolution on 1080p. Make sure it's not on 1080i. It has to be on 1080p, so make sure it's on 1080p. RGB range on full, because it's usually on automatic limited. That's what most people use, so make sure it's on full. And then this, it doesn't work for my TV. I'm not sure it's gonna work for you guys TV as well, but if you can put it on automatic, but like I said, it doesn't work for my TV, so put it on automatic. I heard it's better if you put it on automatic. But the last thing, you guys want to make sure your high contrast is on. If you select this on in game, it will actually close your application. As you guys can tell, all applications will be closed or whatever it's saying. Telling you it's going to be closed if you select this. So make sure you guys are not in the game if you do select this. That's a huge part of playing in your graphics. So make sure high contrast is on, because like I said, this is what's probably going to make your game look outstanding. A lot of people don't use this, but trust me guys, if you guys want them perfect settings, you would actually use this. Yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If the TV settings did not work for you, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to help some of you guys out who don't have a monitor and who's trying to play on the TV and have the best graphics. Leave a like if you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know if I'm gonna disable them or not, just depending on how the video goes or whatever. Subscribe if you're new. Got a giveaway coming out at 1,000 subscribers, so stay in tune. Like I said, this video was made to have realistic graphics, so if you guys are playing something like Fortnite, it will look realistic, but it's not really meant for Fortnite. It's meant for like the realistic shooters. I will probably make another video on Fortnite, how to have the perfect graphic settings for Fortnite, how to make Fortnite look like Fortnite with like a better version of Fortnite. You guys see what I'm saying? You guys, yeah, whatever. Yeah, until then, this is your boy King CeeLo.